morning, happy Sunday, yeah. Daddy just took the girls to get donuts at McGee's. It's one of our favorite donut places here in Lexington, KY. And I am running really quickly to Walmart because I got these light bulbs. And you know when you get the LED ones and they're not like that soft white, they're kind of that bright industrial light. I can't stand it, so I'm returning them. I don't have my receipt and I'm hoping they can look it up on my card because those light bulbs are expensive. They're like $8, $16. You gotta save money where you can, right? Hey yo, I just got back from the store, returned some lights that I didn't like, and I'm just gonna do a little beauty haul with y'all. This is all stuff that you can get at Walmart. It's stuff that I'm liking, and then there are two things that I'm gonna try that are new. Crest has the best body wash ever. It lasts, the smell lasts all day. Now I know some people don't like things that smell good. I don't know, I just love Crest. I think it has the best scents. It doesn't dry my body out too much because I'm super dry and I just love it. And then micellar cleansing water is amazing for removing makeup. So I usually use this before I actually wash my face, and I'll remove my makeup with this. I use these cotton rounds. These are awesome for removing makeup before you wash your face. And then also I use it to remove my eye makeup. I like these so much better than just the cotton puffs because those get stuck in your eyelashes. Love these. And then some new things I'm going to try. I'm going to try this anti-cellulite body wash in a sponge. I don't know, it looks really cool. I think it also will get rid of a lot of dead skin because I'm going to go in and try this Jergens Natural Glow. It's a wet skin moisturizer, but it also is supposed to give a subtle color. So I need a little tan, getting pretty pale. But anyway, yeah. Those are a few things I'm liking and a couple things that I'm going to try, and I'll let you know. I'll give you an update on the new things that I'm going to try out. Alright, so forever ago, Sadie Jo got a box of strawberry cake and strawberry icing as a birthday gift from one of her good friends. So we are going to make... He is a boy.
I bought him to my birthday.
Yeah. Who was it? Who do you want? Graham. What do you say to him? Thank you. Alright, girl. Let's make some cake. Oh no, Bubby can't have that. He'll choke.
No, not Barbie. My Barbie's on
Oh, your Barbie. Okay, Sadie, what do you guys have?
Barbie.
What is that, Sadie?
Popcorn.
Nothing's better than fresh microwave popcorn. Happy Sunday, everybody. Cake is done. Sadie Jo did such a good job. It looks so good. Now are you licking the icing clean? Is it good? Love? Yeah. We are having a pork tenderloin on the big green egg, and then I've got Brussels sprouts here. All it is salt. I cooked some bacon, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. It's so easy. Put it in the oven. These are just frozen Brussels sprouts in a bag. And then Daddy is out here working his magic on the big green egg. There it is. Cooking a pork tenderloin. Yummy, yummy. Say hi, honey.
Say hi.
Hi. The pork is ready to go. Here's the girls' dinner. Hallie Jane is pretty bland. She got a roll, chicken nuggets, avocado. Sage will actually eat some salad and Brussels sprouts, won't you, girl?
Yeah.
Then we have salad there, and the Brussels sprouts are over here. And then the dessert. Yum, we're gonna dig in. Dig in, little munchkins. Dig in. Where's Hallie Janester? Hallie Janester.